Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you are going to learn a useful and fruitful automation technique which is going to save a lot of your time and manual efforts. So if you are an online educator or a course seller, this video is for you. Here I am going to show you how you can enroll a student in Teachable application automatically whenever someone purchases your course on Digistore24. So we are going to do this by creating a simple integration between Digistore24 and Teachable applications. So these are two most widely used application in online education space. And if you are using this video is going to help you a lot. So if you want to learn this automation, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. To reach here, you can use the link we have pasted in the description, and from here you will be signing up for free, and after that you can sign in and reach the dashboard. From the dashboard, guys, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. Alright, and on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, we are getting a purchase from Digistore24 that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be to enroll the student who have purchased the course in Teachable. Okay, so first of all, click on this trigger section and here it will ask to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose Digistore24. Okay, and choose the trigger event as new order event. Okay, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this webhook, we are going to create a connection with Digistore24 and we are going to capture the response of a test order on this URL. Okay, so with the help of this URL, let's create a connection with Digistore24. Here it is, you can see, and on this account, guys, you can see I am selling these courses. So this is my course PHP for beginners, and I'm selling it here as a digital product. And as someone is going to purchase this course, the person is going to be enrolled here in Teachable account. Here in this Teachable school I have created, and in this school I have two courses, PHP for beginners and basic Java. So I want this course. So we are setting up this automation for this particular PHP for beginners course. Okay, so the student will be enrolled here in this course. Okay. So guys, here in Digistore24, click on the settings option and from here click on this integrations IPN. Okay, and here in the integrations page, guys, you can just read in the instructions. You have to click on add new connection. Okay, so click on add new connection. Okay, and from this page you need to scroll down and find webhooks tab. This is webhook. So guys, webhooks are a way by which two applications can communicate and send data between each other. Okay, so here, guys, it is asking to give a name to this webhook connection that you are creating. So you can give any name. I am giving the name as test connection. Let's say test connection. Then here you can select particular products. If you're creating this connection for particular products, you can just check this box and select the products. Okay, right? If you want this for add-ons, you can click yes or no. For here you can select the languages of the course. Okay, and here you can select send notifications for. So guys, here you have to select on which event you want to send a notification or a data from Digistore24 to your workflow. So guys, I want that whenever an order is going to be received, the notification data should be sent. So I am selecting this orders by customers option. Okay, check this box. Then here for all order events, You can check payment, refund, chargeback, any kind of event. So for orders, there can be many events. You can select the particular events. So I'm selecting all the events right now. Here it is asking the webhook URL on which you want to receive the data. So from here, from your workflow, just click on copy and copy the URL and paste the URL here like this. Okay. Then scroll down here and then click on save. Okay, so the connection has been saved, and here you can see, guys, as I have copied the webhook URL in the workflow, it started showing waiting for the response of this connection that you have created. So to test the connection, if it is working fine with Digistore, you can just come here and click on this test connection button. Okay, so when you click here, some test data will be sent to the webhook URL. So let's check if we got the data. And here you can see we have received this kind of response, and here it has just sent us the labels, but we have received a blank response, but we do receive the labels. So in these labels we are going to get the data of a actual order. Let me show you how. Just click on this recapture button, then click on yes, and it will start listening for the data again like this. Okay. Now guys, I'm going to open my Digistore24 account once again, and from here I'm going to open the products section. Right, these are the products, and from here I'm going to select this PHP for beginners course and just click on these three dots, and from here click on this make test purchase option. So by clicking on this option, the test purchase page will open up. From here you can create a test purchase, not an original one, and as you are going to create the purchase, the data of that purchase will be captured here. Let's just see. I am going to fill in the details of a dummy customer. So the name of my student or customer is dummy student, let's say. So guys, here I have filled the details of a student, dummy student. This is the email address, zip code, country, and this is the amount. And here I'm clicking on buy now button. You can see the workflow is already listening. Let me click on buy now, and you can see the order is getting processed here, and the order is completed. You can check the invoice by clicking on view invoice button. Okay, right, let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of the order. And here you can see, guys, we have received the response. It is showing the zip code and the receipt URL, the quantity, the product name, the student's last name, student's first name, the event, the email address, the currency, everything got captured here like this. Okay. Now guys, with the help of this test data, we are going to move forward, and after getting the order, I want to enroll the student in Teachable application. So in this action window, search for Teachable, select the application, then select the action event as enroll user in course. Okay, right, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to fill out these details: the email address by which you have created the Teachable account, the password of your Teachable account, and the subdomain. So guys, you will have these details when you create your Teachable account, and for the subdomain you can just open your site, your school site or course site that you have created in Teachable. So let me show you. This is the course site I have created. This is my school I have created using Teachable, and in the top search bar you can see, guys, between the leading HTTP address and .teachable.com, we have the subdomain or the name of my school. So just copy this subdomain from here according to the instructions and paste it here like this. Okay, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Teachable. Okay, and as you are going to complete this connection, the connection is going to be saved in your account. So after that you can use that saved connection, right? As I have already created connections many times with Teachable, So I'm going to use my saved connection. For this to happen, just select this existing connection option, and here it will show you the list of your saved connections. From here you can choose any connection and then click on save one more time, and you will be connected again. No need to fill the account credentials again. Okay, so here you can see we are connected, and here you can select the course ID in which you want to enroll the customer or the student. So my course is this PHP for beginners. This is what we have sold here, PHP for beginners, and I have created the course here in this Teachable, and I'm going to select this from here, PHP for beginners. Okay, and here it is asking for the email address of the student, so I'm going to map the data of my test student from the trigger section. Here in the trigger I have received the response, and here I have received the name and other things of a test student. So I'm just going to map it here. First of all, map the email. So as I'm clicking here, you can see the previous step, the trigger is appearing in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find the data right here. So just click on this email label to map it. Similarly, map the name. Here is the first name, and I'm going to map the last name as well. Okay, if you want to assign a password, you can fill it here, or you can leave it blank. The user can generate the password afterwards also. Right now we are just enrolling the person, and you can test the connection by clicking on save and send test request, and a new student will be enrolled here inside your school. So let me show you the student section. These are my students already present, and here you can see it, these are the students present in PHP for beginners. Let me test my connection once again. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and let's see if we got a new student in Teachable. So here you can see guys, it is showing created at this date and time, and user ID is assigned. Let's check in my admin section. I am refreshing the page of students, and here you can see guys, we got one more student enrolled. Previously it was 8, now it is showing 9 students, and here you can see dummy student is enrolled here a few seconds ago. Okay, right, so this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, this workflow is going to work automatically whenever the trigger happens. That means whenever an order is going to be received on Digistore, the student will be enrolled in your Teachable application automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.